This is the high bar walk, a brilliant exercise to stretch out the calves and the ankles. How to do it is to set yourself up into a nice downward dog position, try and get your hips up nice and high. And with each step, what we're looking to do is try and get the heel down to the ground so we get that nice stretch in the calves. It also does the entire posterior chain, so you hit the hamstrings and the lower back as well. What we're doing is using movement to improve the range of motion. This is great for your entire posterior chain as well, so it helps to stretch out the lower back and the hamstrings. It's great for strengthening the wrists and the shoulders too, but the main thing that's really good for is improving our ankle dorsiflexion. Use it as a warm-up before any kind of lower body exercise, or if you're doing squats or running, great to add in before you do it. Let's get stuck into some wiggles and how to make it easier. Hey, just real quick, if you want stretches for your full body, the 7 Days of Awesome is a great place to start. It's totally free, just needs your email. Click the link in the description to grab it. A really nice wiggle for this one is to stay static and do calf raises like this, up and down nice and slowly, trying to work the heels down to the ground. You can do both legs at the same time, or you can march and do one leg at a time like this, lovely. Or we can even just cross one foot over to get a deeper stretch on one leg at a time. Another lovely wiggle is to move the hips from side to side, and you get a really nice lower back stretch added into that as well. Another great thing to do is think about how much ankles can move. We want to go in 3 different foot positions. So Jenni's doing a couple of steps with her toes pointed outwards, and then we can point the toes inwards as well. And the other one is just with the feet straight forward. Another nice walking pattern is the cross step, also known as the sexy bear or disco bear. It's when you cross one leg in towards the middle of the body. Really nice one to get a couple of different angles. And our last one is to walk the feet up to the hands. So you keep your hands where they are and just walk those feet up to the hands to get that whole stretch down the entire back of you. Ways to make the high bar easier is to bend the knees and lift the heels as much as you need. If you feel it too much in the shoulders, you can flex your shoulders, and this reduces the upper body range of motion. You can also do the low bar to the high bar, just to get as high as you can with each rep. If getting down to the floor is an absolute non-starter, you can put your hands on a table, sofa, chair, windowsill, or anything that you can get your hands on. Ankles and calves can take a really long time to make a change to, so if you don't feel an immediate difference, stick with it. It might take many months before your range of motion starts to improve. You can add this in as a warm-up or a cool-down, or even separate morning mobility sessions is great. Just 60 seconds going forwards and backwards with some of the variations is great to do. Another reason that ankles and calves can tighten up is weak feet, so the next video for you to watch would be our toeability one to see how strong your feet are.